Good evening, everybody. I'm seeing a lot of excited faces on some very enthusiastic fans. The game is about to start. And there's the whistle to begin the game. A long pass to his teammate, Kolarov. The teammates in the back are unguarded. A long pass to his teammate, Pjanic. What's he got planned, I wonder? Is that a goal? Kick it! A world-class goal. The fans are roaring. That goal will definitely make the top 10 this week. Ooh, smacked right into him. Mattia Di Cilio. Wanyama. Passes to his teammate. Overhead pass to the team here. Watch out! Dybala! A world-class goal. The fans are roaring. That was an almost impossible goal. Passes the ball to the penalty area. Shot! The goalkeeper collects the ball. Great teamwork, but a pity they missed. Messi. A nice high ball here. Pjanic. Let's see what he's got planned for the offence. Is that a goal? Dybala. World class. The game ended early. That goal will definitely make the top 10 this week. They're moving fast to open up space. Pjanic! Nice, neat tackle. Pjanic passes the ball to the sideline. A beautiful curving centre cross. Leaping high for the header. A header. Got it? Goal! 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 At the end of the first half, the score for the two sides is... Why not grab your phone and play some Ultimate Football Club while waiting for the second half? The opponents look heated. I wonder what the coach said to them during half-time. Kolarov. The team is responding. Powerful kick and pass. How can he miss it? Kicks the ball back to his teammate. They're moving fast to open up space. There's a chance. Dybala. An unimaginable reaction speed. A very good chance gone to waste. Passes the ball forward. Dribbling the ball with the winger. Pjanic. Virgil van Dijk. Kolarov. Boots the ball out. Turns and leaves the defence behind. How can he miss it? A nice high ball here. Eye on the ball. Dybala. A world-class save by the goalkeeper. It's so close he can taste it, but not quite. Crosses the ball to the winger. Mattia Di Cilio. Virgil van Dijk. A long pass to his teammate, Kolarov. A perfect through ball. Those three whistles mean the game is over. The final score is... They won the game smooth as can be. They dominated the game from beginning to